Hi everyone, this is Ryan Hosseini and I'm here to let you know more about our project. So let's get started. Every year, over 130 billion US dollars are lost to forgeries of various types of goods. Some of the most industries are clothing and accessories manufacturers, electronic good producers, cosmetics, footwear, and much more. It's also good to mention here that the pharmaceutical industry suffers from forged drugs, which can lead not only to foregone revenues for pharma companies, but also to severe health problems. If a patient, for example, receives a drug that differs from the norm, their prescription can actually harm them rather than aid them. QR codes have been implemented for many years now with the intention of reducing the counterfeiting phenomenon. However, QR codes aren't unique, and they can too be forged, copied, duplicated with ease, meaning that rather than helping to solve the problem of forged goods, they can play a part in facilitating it. So, what's the solution? fQR allows for the creation of unique, immutable, and traceable QR codes stored on the Arweave permaweb. And here's a demo now to see how it works. So, as a verifier or end user, in the alpha release, which means the current release, you have to do 3 simple steps to verify a product. The first one is to take your smartphone and open the fQR Reader web app. The second step, you have to scan the QR code of the product that you want to verify. You copy the product ID, transaction ID, and paste it in the search box to check if it's valid. And here on the left side, you have a valid product and you can see its information. While on the right side, we repeat the same operation and you copy the transaction ID, paste it, and you will see that it's a fake product. And as you see here, you have to copy and paste the product ID. It may be annoying, but it's a part of users' education. This extra step will be replaced in the future with an automated one. So, for generators, or if you are a business owner and you want to generate fQRs for your product, the process is also simple. You have to log in using the classic available method among Arweave apps using JSON key file. Then you enter your product's metadata. Here we are simulating a chocolate bar, product name, product price, public offers, and finally, after entering all the information, you hit create generate ID. Here we are entering the public offer. All this info can't be manipulated. The expiry date, get your certification ID with the QR code. So, how fQR is different? fQR is an anti-counterfeiting solution built on Arweave's blockchain, which can bring the Web 3.0 technology into anyone's life even if they don't know what a blockchain is. Most of us heard the trust but verify proverb, and this is how fQR works. So let's say you are buying a product and you are certain it's the original one. Can this product verify itself using fQRs? Yes, it can. Blockchain transactions are immutable and irreversible once it's mined, as same as fQR codes. So while scanning a product with fQR on it, you will be sure that there is no changed expiry dates, changed public or price or offers, or any manipulated information. And the most important point is being sure that you are buying the original product, and that's because fQR scanner only read fQR codes which are generated from a verified seller. All verified sellers have the public key listed in an array called verified wallets array. Last but not least, the whole operation from creating an fQR by a seller and treating it by an end user is transparent and done on-chain. Our business model. fQR business model is simple, but an exciting one at the same time. It's a new business model among Arweave apps. You can say it's a combination between real-world business and blockchain governance. So, being fQR PST holder make you eligible for the 50% fee split, so you get AR on the start of each month based on how many fQR tokens you hold in your Arweave wallet. Loyalty programs for early adopters and long-term holders are considered. Traction. Within a month from release, fQR landed its first paying customer. The International Center for Training and Development (ICTD) was so impressed by fQR and that it decided to issue all their certification use fQR codes. This means that around 7,000 students per year can secure trading certification that will be validated using fQR technology. So if you want to know more about ICTD, please visit ictd-lb.com. And right now, we are in the final stage of closing a deal with one of the most top-ranked face mask manufacturers in Lebanon to ensure that their face masks that are distributed amongst population are of high quality and not forged. So every month, around 5,000 high-quality face masks will be secured from forging activities via Arweave. This is our roadmap. As you can see, we have plenty of goals in our future plan for 2021. First quarter of the next year, we will implement fQR in the medical field, and we will focus on our users' education. We will implement the flexible fQR, which is an updatable QR code, and also the fQR batch generation, which fits large generation from datasets like CSV files or loop generation. In quarter two, we will work on the ad and social media campaigns for the mobile application, for marketing compatibility, and machine learning integration, which is an extra step security layer for fQR scanning. In quarter three 2021, we will publish our software solution like NFC chips. We will do a larger promotion across social media and blogs. And the last quarter of the year, we will have a modulation for the business model, and we expect to have more than 30 users in total. And finally, the supply chain software with an interactive dashboard where generators can track their products will be published. So this is me. At the moment, it's a one team member, but for sure, bigger plans mean more work and time. So the team will start to expand shortly. I am a computer science student. I'm a blockchain and Web 3.0 tech since 2017. I am also an active and contributor in Tron blockchain. Thanks everyone. Thanks to Arweave Web. Thanks to Arweave team for this amazing experience. So if you have any question, please get in touch. Our Twitter account and Telegram group have the same username at fqr_weave. Thank you again.